Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. First, I'll discuss the doubts related to the weekly homework, periodic table exercise 1. So, doubts which I received from different students. You can also mention your doubt in chat. Question number 13. Question number 13. A substance X. Okay, before 13, 12. Some of the properties of substance X are listed. So, there are some properties which are given. It conducts electricity when molten. So, in a molten state, in a liquid state, it is conducting electricity. It has high melting point and it burn in oxygen. So it's burning in oxygen and the product dissolve in water, which give the pH 11. So what could be X? Which substance give a pH 11? Because when it burn in oxygen, it will form oxide. So, and which kind of oxide dissolve in water to give an alkaline solution? So it is metal oxide. So what could be substance X? Substance X could be metal, because covalent compound, if it was a covalent compound is there or covalent oxide is formed, it will be acidic oxide. Macromolecular compounds or macromolecular substances does not conduct electricity except graphite, and it can conduct in solid state, not only in molten. So what we are left with, either I, because conduction of electricity can be because metal can conduct in solid, it can conduct in molten. Ionic conduct in solid, does not conduct in solid, only in molten. So from the first property, it conduct electricity when molten, can be refers to, it can be a metal or it can be ionic. Both possibilities are there. It has high melting point, so it can be metal or ionic. But the last property, burnt in oxygen and the product dissolve in water to make a pH 11, means alkaline solution. So which substance burn in water, burn in oxygen? Metal plus oxygen. So metal plus oxygen result in a metal oxide, and metal oxide, when you dissolve in water, it will become metal hydroxide, and we call that as alkali. The pH of the solution changes. That's why C is a right option here. Is it clear? Then question 13. Substance X warm with dilute hydrochloric acid, which produce a gas, and that gas decolorizes potassium manganate 7. What is this test? This is a test for sulfite ion. Sulfite ion means SO3. Sulfate is either add barium nitrate or barium chloride, but for sulfide, we add hydrochloric acid, heat, a gas is given off, which will convert this potassium manganate from purple to colorless. The substance X give a yellow flame. So yellow flame, the flame test, yellow is for sodium. So the positive ion is sodium and the negative ion is sulfide. So what it could be? It is sodium sulfide. Because the first test is for sulfite ion and the second test, the gas is sulfur dioxide, but the test is for sulfite ion. Then question number 33. Compound T is added to dilute hydrochloric acid and warm gently. The mixture gives off a gas which turns acidified potassium manganate from purple to colorless. So again, this is a test for sulfite ion. And a flame test, lilac, it's for potassium. So one is potassium, another one is sulfite. So what is this? It is potassium sulfite. Question 45. The table gives some properties of an element. Melting point is high, appearance is colored compound is formed, density is high, conduct electricity. So all these properties matches with transition. So this element is a transition element. So you have to check another property. Which other property would you expect this element have? Transition element or their compound act as a catalyst. They're not brittle. Brittle means a small force can decompose or break. These are metals, so does not form acetic oxide. They are not highly reactive. They are low in reactivity. Does not react easily. Any other doubt in this exercise periodic table? Exercise 1 of periodic table. Any other doubt, question related to this? So means no doubt. I'll start the topic then.